Hello my dear student, how are you all? I hope you all are well by the grace of Allah. I am also well. My dear student, today I am here at present to take a class especially for the student of class 5. So my dear student of class 5 and all viewers who are joining with me now, all are welcome to Matiranga Online Primary School. Let's introduce myself. I am Monir Hussain, assistant teacher of Bhagyo Garbaripara Government Primary School, Matiranga, Khagrasuri. So my dear student, the previous classes we also discusses unit 21. Already we discusses two sections in this chapter. Today I would like to discuss last section and I would like to finish the lesson today. Okay, so my dear lovely student, all are take your EFT book and your exercise khata and sit down in front of my class. And today our lesson is it was a great day, lesson 3 to 4. Okay, so my dear student, all are write down the title of this lesson, and today we read out it was a great day. Okay, it was a great day. It was a great day. My dear student, at very first I would like to read out whole text from the next day to it was a great day. So my dear student, all are take your EFT book and open page number 83. Page number 83. At first I read out the text and all are match with your book. The next day, after the Campori, we went to Lavachora National Park. It was very interesting. We took a walk beside a small stream in the forest. Our leaders told us to be very quiet because the animals are frightened by noise. We walked quietly up a small hill, and suddenly we hear something in the trees above our heads. We looked up and saw a gibbon. It was moving quickly through the trees. After our visit to Lavachora National Park, we went to the Nilkantha Tea Cabin. This is a famous place to drink tea in Srimangal. The Nilkantha Tea Cabin sells a glass of tea of different colors and flavors. It was amazing. I will never forget my visit to Lavachora National Park. It was a great day. Okay, my dear student, now again I read out the text with Bangla meaning, so all are listen to me carefully. Okay, it was a great day. এটি একটি খুব ভালো দিন. The next day, পরের দিন, after the Campori সমাবেশটি, we went to Lavachora National Park. আমরা সবাই লাউয়াছড়া জাতীয় উদ্যানে গিয়েছিলাম. It was very interesting. এটা ছিল খুব চমৎকার. we took a walk beside a small stream in the forest. বনের ভিতরে ছোট নদীর পাশ দিয়ে আমরা সবাই হেঁটে যাচ্ছিলাম। Our leaders, আমাদের দলনেতা, told us, আমাদেরকে বলেছিল to be very quiet, খুব শান্তশিষ্টভাবে যাওয়ার জন্য, because কারণ the animals are frightened by noise. বন্য যে প্রাণীগুলো আছে সেগুলো শব্দ পেলে ভয় পাবে। We walked, আমরা হেঁটেছিলাম quietly up a small hill. আমরা ধীরগতিতে হেঁটে একটি পাহাড়ের উপরে উঠলাম। And suddenly, এবং হঠাৎ, we heard, আমরা শুনতে পেলাম something in the trees above our heads. আমাদের মাথার উপর কিছু একটা শব্দ শুনতে পেলাম। We looked up, আমরা উপরের দিকে তাকালাম, and saw, এবং দেখেছিলাম a gibbon. আমরা সেখানে একটি বন্য প্রাণী দেখেছিলাম। সেটা হচ্ছে উল্লুক। It was moving quickly through the trees. এটা গাছের মধ্য দিয়ে এদিক সেদিক দৌড়াদৌড়ি করছিল। After our visit to Lawachora National Park, লাওয়াছড়া জাতীয় উদ্যান ভ্রমণ শেষে we went to the নীলকণ্ঠ টি কেবিন। আমরা নীলকণ্ঠ টি কেবিনে গিয়েছিলাম। This is a famous place. এটা ছিল একটা বিখ্যাত স্থান। To drink tea, চা পান করার জন্য, in শ্রীমঙ্গলের মধ্যে। The Nilkantha tea cabin sells a glass of tea of different colors and flavors. এই নীলকণ্ঠর যে চা বিক্রয়ের জায়গাটি রয়েছে সেখানে বিভিন্ন রঙের চা বিক্রি হয়। It was amazing, এটা খুব মুগ্ধকর। I will never forget my visit to Lawachora National Park. আমি কখনো এই লাওয়াছড়া ন্যাশনাল জাতীয় উদ্যানের যে ভ্রমণ সেটা বলতে পারবো না। It was a great day. এটা হচ্ছে আমার জন্য একটি ভালো দিন, অত্যন্ত গুরুত্বপূর্ণময় একটি দিন। ওকে, so my dear student, in this text here are many new words, and we all are trying to find out some new words. At very first I write some word on the board, and all are write down every word in your exercise khata. Okay, first word is national. National means জাতীয়। And frightened, frightened mean ভীত। Hill, hill means pahad. Suddenly, means হঠাৎ। And another new word is amazing. Amazing means চমৎকার। My dear student, here are many new words, and I would like to find out some new word. First one is national, means জাতীয়, frightened means ভীত, hill means পাহাড়, suddenly means হঠাৎ, amazing means চমৎকার. So my dear student, all are try to read from every text every new words, because without new word we cannot learn or understand any text, any dialogue or any passage. Okay, so at very first we all are try to read out and know about what meaning. Okay, so dear student, today it is our final class about this text. It was a great day. Okay, and previous two class we discussed about these patches or topics. Today it is our final and last class. So we all are read out the text carefully and try to answer every question from this text. Okay, so my dear student, now I will give you a homework, and all are write down this word your exercise khata carefully. Okay, write a short composition on a memorable day. Okay, I know everyone has a memorable day, so write a short composition on a memorable day. Okay, at least 5 sentences, 5 or 6 sentences. Okay, again I read out the word. It is absolutely your homework. Okay, write a short composition on a memorable day or your memorable experience, at least 5 sentences. Okay, so my dear student, no more today. Thank you all for joining in my classes. My dear student, all are try to stay at home with your parents and try to follow the health rules. Okay, thank you all.